Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use slow zoom on a video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. Now press on effects. Now go to video effects. Now search for zoom. Here you'll find the option of slow zoom. Press on this. That's it. So this is how to use slow zoom on a video in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.